Fridge. Sometimes my mum and dad used to go out. This meant I went to the fridge because my dad told me to. He was 40 years older than me. Well, actually, he still is. He'd shout, he'd rant and shout, "Will you go to the fridge?" Anyway, after a few months of this, my mum and dad tried something new. Just before they went out, they said, "Right, Mick, you go to the fridge 40 years ago, and you stay there." Okay, I said, okay, yeah, okay. And off I went to the fridge. I lay there waiting to hear my dad slam, door close, slam. So now I go and stand by the fridge and I fiddle. I make little rattly noises with the handle and the key. Fiddle, riddle diddle. I try to unlock it. I can't unlock the door. Meanwhile, I've got big lemonade bottles digging into my glass. That wasn't very nice. Actually, it was horrible. It was then I noticed the food. I think I have enough food to survive. And I had loads to eat 40 years ago. And there were hundreds of chips, hundreds and hundreds of them. I'm still stuck in the fucking fridge and there's no food left. Yeah, do you know, at the end of the day, you'd be starving. It was then I noticed my fucking dad. My dad, what does he do? He bought a new fridge. Yes. Of course, he threw his old fridge into the sea. Yee. Now that I was inside with the lid shut, I could feel the bolts in the walls digging into my skin. Oh no, this is horrible. Years and I'm still stuck in the fucking fridge. It was then I noticed the island. Yes,